Online Teaching presents How to Prepare Your Portfolio. For your class, you need to prepare a portfolio. Let's watch the presentations of some of the students who explain how they prepare their portfolio. Keep in mind that you may not be required to complete any workshop or DLAs for your class.
I am in Math 130. This is my portfolio. My first page is the calendar. It says what we are doing every day. Next page is the DLAs that we have to do. We have 5 DLAs that we have to complete in the semester. So I keep those right there. After that is our summary sheets. We get all this information from the multimedia library, from our PowerPoint and lecture videos. All these are just notes from each section for each chapter. Next, I have all the quizzes. We take a quiz at the beginning of the class, and I also have the quizzes from the other classes that Mr. Murfata has. These quizzes help when it's time to study for a test. Most of the questions that are on these quizzes are on the tests. Not same numbers, but the questions are on the test, so that's very helpful. We are also given practice tests. All these practice tests have answers in the system in Pearson, so you can work them out and then go back and check and make sure you got the answer right. These are also very helpful for studying for the exams as well, because the same kind of questions are on the test. After that, I just keep all of my exams in my folder. So when it's time to study for the final, I can go back to all of my exams, make sure I corrected everything, and then ace the final. So this is very helpful because it allows me to go back and look at all the notes that I've made and all the quizzes and all the practice tests, and it allows me to get all the information that I may be missing in a lecture class. This is my portfolio.
My name is Courtney Rush, and I'll be showing you how to set up your portfolio today. The first page is going to be the schedule, and you can find that in the class syllabus online, and you only need the calendar part. The second page will be your DLA check sheet, and behind my DLA check sheet, I put the DLAs that I do. Next will be your summary sheet, and they go in order by the chapters. On the summary sheet, you're going to want to put important formulas, and I like to put the examples that are given so I can refer to them later on. Behind all my summary sheets are the quizzes that we receive, and then behind that will be the practice tests with your problems that you've answered and worked out, and then the actual tests. And behind that I put my corrections, and I just do that for every summary in each chapter throughout there.
Hi, my name is Andreas Butler. I'm in the math class 130 on Saturdays, and I'm going to explain to you how to set up your portfolio. This was for math 130, and in the beginning I set up the syllabus, which allowed me to create the categories in the back, which is your take-home test, your DLAs, your final exam, and summaries to help you prepare for the class. The next section, I have my DLAs, which you have the scores. You have the schedule for the DLA room, and each DLA in here as well. Next, I have the take-home test, which help you prepare for the class and keep you on track with what you need to learn and what you need help on, and what you can ask the professor for assistance for. I have summary sheets, which have been the key to the success of getting good grades on the test. The summary sheet consists of definitions from the math book itself and key points from the online PowerPoints created by the professor, and as well as anything you discover on your own. And I do a summary sheet for each chapter. And every Saturday we have quizzes in the morning. He picks a question from the test, which also helps you prepare for the final. These are actual questions that will be on your test and final exam. And homework, which we do from the online system. You can go through and show your work for each problem, present it to the professor. He'll go through it and note which ones you are doing correct and what you're doing wrong. And that's it.